Morning, grade 1. So in this lesson, we are going to solve page 178 on your activity book. So please open it and let me start solving this page, which is asking us this question to shade or color half of each shape. And as I said before, half means one equal part out of each two equal parts. Now here, I'll start coloring and let's color in orange this time, or peach color. Now in part A, I already solved as this question with you last lesson, so please solve it by your own. Now let's go for part B. Here, of each two, I just have to color one. So here, one of those two, and here is another one of those two, and so I colored one of those two and one of those two, and I have to color now one of those two. Now I'll just color this one. So again, so I colored 3 parts out of 6 parts. So here again we have 6 parts. I'm going to color 1 out of each 2. Here we have 2, I will just color 1 out of them. Here we have 2, I will just color 1 out of them. And here we have 2, I will just color 1 out of them. Now part C, again out of each 2 I have to just color 1. So from each those 2 I will color 1, and from those 2 I will just pick 1 and color it. So here is 1/2. So 1/2 of 4 equal parts is 2. 1/2 of 4 is 2, and 1/2 of 6 here is 3. Now D, we have another 4 equal parts. Color it by your own, color 1/2. E, we have how many equal parts? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from each 2 I have just to color 1. So from those 2 I'm coloring 1. From those 2 I'm just coloring 1. And from those 2 I'm coloring 1. And from those 2 I'm coloring 1. So here is 1/2. So 1/2 of 8 is equal to 4. F is the same. Solve it. G, from each 2 I have to color 1. So from those 2 I am coloring 1. Or from those 2, this one and this one, I'm coloring 1. From this one and this one, those 2, I'm coloring 1. From this one and this one, I am coloring 1. And from this one and this one, I'm coloring 1. So 1/2 of 8 is equal to 4. H is another homework for you. It's a 6 equal part. What is 1/2 of 6? J. Sorry, I. Now here I have how many equal parts? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. What is 1/2 of 6? From each 2 I take 1. From this one and this one I'm going to color this. From this and this I'm going to color this. And from this and this I'm going to color 1. So I colored 3 equal parts out of 6 equal parts, which is 1/2. So 1/2 of 6 is equal to 3. Now your homework for today is parts A, D, F, H from page 178. See you next time. Bye.